friends. This is My Country 'Tis of Thee in the key of A. This is a very simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video. If you click below the video, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. All right, so there are 3 chords in this song. Super simple. I've kind of kept it to the basics so that you can chord and sing along to this lovely patriotic song. If you look for this group of 3 black notes, you will find the A tucked in there. You play A, then we play this black note in the middle, C sharp, and E. And if you look at these 3 notes, it is making this triangle shape. Okay, do you see that? White on the bottom, and black note in the middle. Okay, so that's going to come in handy because these 2 other chords have that same shape. So if you freeze this pattern in your hand, move up here to the D position. So this D note is tucked in between these 2 black notes. Play D, F sharp, A, and that's our D triangle. Okay, our last chord uses this same shape, that triangle shape. Move up here to just move up 1 set of notes and you're in the E position. So we have E, G sharp, B are the notes that make up the E major chord. Okay, so review 3 triangle shapes being A, D, and E, and that's it. Pretty simple, right? Okay, left hand is going to be playing single notes. We're going to keep it super simple. So we're going to put pinky on A, lining up these 5 fingers and keeping this hand here the whole song. So when we play A chord here, we're just going to play the A single note over here. Okay, triangle to single note, D to D, single note, and E to E, single note, chord over here. That's it. All right, I'm going to sing and play through verse 1, adding in the vocals so you can hear how it sounds, and then we'll break down the rhythm for you. My country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. Okay, so what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is a simple ratio. We're doing a 1-to-3 ratio. And then what that means is we're going to play both hands together, then just that right hand by itself. Together, right, right. Together, right, right. Together, right, right. You can just practice this nice steady marching rhythm so that you can get used to that foundation to play this song, and then you can build from there, okay? All right, so let's walk through it. I just want to mention too, this song has 3 verses in it. Once you learn the first one, the other 2 are the exact same. So not a whole lot of newness for this song, okay? So I also want to mention lines 2 and 4 are going to be the trickiest part of the song, and I'll walk you through that here as well. All right, so let's line up A to A single note, A chord on the right hand, and let's go through it together, okay? Here we go. My country. Move to the E chord, freezing this triangle shape. Move up to the E position and play E single note. 'Tis of thee, freeze that shape, move back to the A. Sweet land of liberty. Okay, so watch through this second line and then I'll break it down. Of thee I sing. Okay, so the of the I, they're going to share that 3 beats, that together, right, right. There's not enough time to get through that on both of those chords. So we go of the I. Noticed how I went 2 beats on the D, 1 beat on the E, and that sort of matched up that 3 beats together, you know, adding those 2 chords together. So it goes of the I, and then to the A chord. Sing, line 3, land where my fathers died, D chord, land of the pilgrim's pride. Okay, A chord, this line's going to be a little tricky towards the end too. From every this is a little bit opposite. The A and the E share that 3 beats at that last line there, but the A gets 1 beat and the E gets the 2 beats. So it goes, so we continue on for this A for a while, right? We go, from every mountainside. Here's the 1 beat. Let E gets 2 beats. Freedom. And back to the A. Ring. That last line again. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. Or you can continue on with that ring, where it kind of carries out that 3 counts, okay? So lines 1 and 3 are pretty easy. Lines 2 and 4 are the trickiest part. You can go back to the tutorial portion of that if that needs a little help for you. You can also slow down the playback speed when you're playing along with me, or the tutorial portion of it if that helps to simplify it for you as well. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can sing and play along with me. Have a lot of fun. When you mess up, just keep going. Find your next chord. You could do it. Here we go. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. A land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. My native country, the land of the noble free, thy name I love. I love thy rocks and hills, thy woods and temples hills. My heart with rapture thrills like that above. Let music swell the breeze and ring from all the trees, sweet freedom song. Let mortal tongues awake, let all that breathe partake, let rocks their silence break, the sound prolong. Our Father's God, to the author of liberty, to thee we sing. Long may our land be bright with freedom's holy light. Protect us by thy might, great God our King. My country, 'tis of thee,